Have you ever been confused by JavaScript classes and their methods? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the difference between class methods and properties in JavaScript, especially in the context of React. I totally get it. It can be really puzzling when you see different ways to define functions in classes. Many developers have faced this question, and it's a common point of confusion. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked why the handle open function is defined as a property instead of a traditional method. They provided two examples, and it's a great question that many developers wonder about. So what's the difference? When you define a function as a property using an arrow function, it automatically binds the context of this to the instance of the class. This is crucial in React, where you want to ensure that your methods have the correct context when they are called. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the difference, but also know when to use each approach effectively. To understand why handle open is implemented as a property, let's first look at the difference between class methods and class properties in JavaScript. Class methods are defined using the function keyword, while class properties can be defined using arrow functions. When using an arrow function for handle open, it automatically binds the context of this to the instance of the class. This means that when handle open is called, it will always refer to the correct instance, avoiding common issues with this in JavaScript. In contrast, if handle open is defined as a traditional method, the context of this can change depending on how the method is called. This can lead to unexpected behavior, especially when passing the method as a callback. By defining handle open as a property with an arrow function, the user ensures that the method retains the correct context, making the code more reliable and easier to understand. In summary, using class properties with arrow functions is a modern approach in JavaScript that simplifies handling context and improves code maintainability. Fun fact, did you know that JavaScript was created in just 10 days? It's amazing how far it has come since then, evolving into a powerful language for web development. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the difference lies in the context of this within the method. In the first example, using an arrow function ensures that this refers to the component instance. In contrast, the second example would require binding this in the constructor to achieve the same effect. They also mention that if you choose the second approach, you need to bind this manually, which can add extra complexity. Here's a pro tip. When working with React, prefer using class properties for methods that need to maintain the context of this. It simplifies your code and reduces the chances of bugs. And there you have it. Now you know the difference between class methods and properties in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.